Have you ever wondered how to make a perfect hookah?
Everyone's been at that point in a party where we want to set up the hookah, we want to smoke the hookah, but there's no one around to do it for us, and we don't know how. I'm Coral.
And I'm Charlie. And this is how to make a perfect hookah.
First we have the hookah bowl, the bottom where the water goes, and then we have the top, and then we have the bowl where you load the sheesh. And then you're going to need foil, sheesh, and coals. Another great thing to have is something to poke the top with, which we will go into detail later.
First, you're going to want to put the coals on the stove, because they take a few minutes to get hot. Next, you're going to want to fill up the base of the hookah with water. You don't want to fill it up all the way, but just enough. Another thing you can do is add ice to the base of your hookah. It makes the smoke ice cold and extra smooth. Then, you take the stem of the hookah and put it firmly into the base, making sure all the seals are closed tightly. Then, you snap the bowl on top and make sure the entire hookah is squeezed together correctly.
After putting the whole hookah together, your very next step would be loading the bowl with sheesh. This is a very important part of the process, and yet not a lot of people like to do it because it's kind of gross. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your sheesh and you're going to lightly separate it into little pieces into the bowl to make it nice and fluffy to get that extra good smoke. After doing this, make sure that you do not put too much in to the point where it will touch the foil or it will burn too quickly. Next, you're going to put the foil onto the top of the bowl and you're going to poke holes in the very top. When doing this, make sure you make a circular motion around the bowl and do not poke too many holes. After doing that, make sure your holes aren't too big. If they are too big, it will burn the sheesh. Another side note when poking holes in the top of the hookah is if you do not have a thumbtack or any kind of pin to poke the holes, you can always find a girl that has earrings, and that works just fine.
The coals should be on the stove for about 15 minutes. You will know when they are ready when they're mostly light gray. There can be a little bit of black on the top, but mostly gray. Another helpful hint is that if you don't have tongs, because they're often lost, you can always use a spoon and a knife to take the coals off.
And that's how you make a perfect hookah.